Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to use Hipobuy to purchase from 1688, Xianyu, Temu, and all other Chinese marketplace. By the way, this video is sponsored, so make sure to check the description link below. Hello everyone, let us talk about the Hipobuy right here. So Hipobuy is a China-based proxy shopping and forwarding service that helps international buyers purchase products from Chinese marketplaces like Taobao and Alibaba or 1688 and more. So, rather than selling or buying items directly which other people can't do, Hipobuy made it possible. It acts as an agent. You submit product links and they handle the purchasing, inspection, consolidation, and international shipping. So once the item receive or arrive at their warehouse, they inspect them for defects, verify sizes and colors, and send you quality check photos before shipping everyone to your address. So enough with the talking and let me show you how to check out a product from Hipobuy. So you wanna search what you wanna do, what you wanna of course check out. Let's say cardigan. So right here, there are some shops like 1688 and Taobao. So you have two options right here, but actually you can just search them up directly from 1688 and Taobao. You just wanna put the product link here, right here on the search bar. So since we've searched the cardigan, let me just so for example this one. We want to check out this one, so we just want to press the buy now, and then you want to add your shipping address. Of course, you just want to add that one. Just want to fill out or press this add button right here and fill out the necessary prompts, and then yes, after filling out the necessary details, you want to click submit. So clicking submit means that you want to place the order and then make the payment. So right here, you want to please, it says that please make the payment before this date right here. Otherwise, the order will be canceled. So Hipobuy is actually very, what you call this, very flexible when it comes to payments because they support a lot of payment method. For example, PayPal. PayPal is very popular among countries. We also have credit cards. They also support Visa and Mastercard. We have crypto, Boost, PaySafe cards, Skrill, PNG e-wallet. So I am very confident that one of you must have one of these. It's because these are pretty popular among countries. So you can see this little button or question mark button right here. So it says here a lot of details about PayPal or their online payment method. After that, you just want to hit on payment and this process right here will show you everything. So right here, inspection and storing, of course, they will inspect and store your products and then they will submit the parcel and then pay shipping and then you can now wait for your delivery. And that is how Hippo by checking out carts on your carts or products work.